Hello, Glam Gang and my doll squad. Welcome back to all my dolls and sugars. Today I will be reviewing this particular lace front unit from Nakia Hair on Amazon Prime. Okay, and the unit itself, the wig, it arrived and it came with this satin bag, and inside enclosed it was packaged in a white plastic, and just showing me unraveling the wig. And offhand, immediately I noticed that the wig on the end appeared to be just somewhat thin at the end of it, but very nice texture overall. It appeared. My initial thoughts was the wig itself had a nice wave, nice curl pattern. It just appeared to be very thin at the end.
At the end it was kind of thin, but at the top, as you can see, showed off before, the lace actually has a nice scalp. It's very thick, so that's very good for bleaching.
And also, along with the wig, the company itself provided its review card stating if you gave them a review online, they would send, I think, a $40 synthetic wig, and that's for their customers who opt to give them a 5-star review. And as well, some lashes were enclosed, some matte lashes.
Showing them off a little bit.
And also a hair tie with the cute little bunny ears, just on time for Easter.
Has like little pink stars on them. That could be great for putting up your hair. We certainly use it.
Tying it back when you're working out, exercising, etc. So I always can use hair tie. And as well as this accessory, this fashion bow with the little simulated pearl details. So that also came along with the wig itself. So the company gifted those items, and it's just saying perfect hair for you, virgin hair extensions. And the satin bag itself, I do find to be very convenient for storing wigs after they have been, removed, and you just want to put them up and make sure they stay in good condition. So the satin bag was very nice touch.
Now off to the stylist.
Off to my stylist. And this is showing me in ball cap method, and this is showing my stylist herself, the lace connoisseur, the lace queen of North Florida, just getting me right, and her work is just phenomenal.
Right there, as you can see, she wasn't even finished yet, but she was already laying the edges.
And the wig itself, it was very easy to bleach. The lace was very nice on the unit, and these are just some inserts of me having the unit installed. And yes, for the baby hairs, yes, get into it. And this is now me after over a week of me having this particular unit installed. the wig, I must say itself, the pros and cons. To get into the cons first, I can say initially my first thoughts that the wig was very thin on the ends, and that it was when it was first installed, myself along with my stylist, we could see first off that how thin it was at the ends. And I did notice over the week, the duration of me wearing the wig, it tended to be very, very much thin every time I refresh my curl pattern. But I also can say another con was it just tended to have a slight unpleasant factory type odor, like a factory smell. And even after us washing it and conditioning it and it being bleached, it still had that factory type smell to it. So that was a little distasteful. But to get in to the pros of the wig, I say overall it's very, very much convenient. The curls are very beautiful. It has more of a exotic like curl pattern. It's giving me very much Hawaiian silky tees. And what I do love about it, all you have to do is just spray and go. And it is very, very, I can say, even though the ends were thin, anytime I comb through it and detangle the wig when I'm spraying it to activate the curl pattern, it's minimum shedding. It does not shed that much at all. So that is a huge pro. And like I say, the lace was very easy to customize. It was very easy to bleach. And the lace itself was nice quality of lace. So that was a huge pro as well.
The wig installation also was very simple. Not all wigs go on very easily. So the wig installed very easily, and as she said before, it was so easy to refresh. You could literally just spray it with water and go.
And I love that. It's super convenient, just up and go. And ladies, we know my dolls, my sugars, with us living a very fast-paced lifestyle, so much going on, and us trying to survive a pandemic. We need things that are no fuss, beauty and glam, but yet very, very convenient. So I love that. I love it's like beach curl, exotic waves, and I just love that. And here's me zooming in so my dolls can get a better view. And like I say, this is over a week of me wearing the wig and having it installed, and just spray and go. And I really love that about that. And these baby hairs are everything. My stylist, she laid those baby hairs. And I decided to come on camera in a full face of Barbie Glam. Official, Dollhouse official, just to be able to display the total ambiance, the pure essence of the wig itself. And I myself will be wearing this wig on the upcoming Easter holiday. I will still have this unit installed, and you can see a little towards the left hand side is thinning. But I can say overall that I really have enjoyed this wig. I have received many compliments from strangers, from family and friends on the unit. So overall, I can say that the unit itself was very satisfactory. And excuse me, the audio, this is me going on in great detail. The audio, we didn't realize until we got into the editing mode that the audio on the camera,
it had went out.
It went completely out. So dolls, so we could still bring you superb content, we decided to just improvise and do a voiceover. So that's me still saying the cons about the ends being a little thin.
But overall, it was like just pretty much a good wig, other than like the ends being kind of thin. Other than that, everything else was like perfect. A1 with the wig.
A1, superb. And I myself, it just really activated some superpowers in the doll, honey. Yes, the doll was feeling herself. The doll beat her face to the gods. The doll was enjoying her lavender vibes, her pastel vibes leading up to the upcoming Easter holiday. So yes, this wig was giving. It was giving everything that it needs to give. Yes. And I myself did my makeup. I received many DMs on my Instagram inquiring about my makeup, and I will be coming on with a live tutorial on how I achieve this Easter vibes, like pastels, purples and pinks, Barbie dreams. So I will be bringing that content to you soon, doll. The eyeshadows that I used to achieve this makeup look was from the Lime Crime Venus palette, and I used my Dollhouse official signature luster lip gloss in the shade Barbie Dreams and Candy Kisses, outlined in MAC's Night Moth lip liner. And I just want to plug my stylist herself, who is also another fellow doll. Her shop is called the Dollhouse and Luxury Hair Boutique, and this is her information. And I wanted to make sure I refer all of my dolls, my sugar, my doll squad, and my glam gang. If you are in the North Florida area, please feel free to contact her, DM her, book her, ladies. You will not be disappointed. She is highly recommended by the doll. And when I tell you highly recommended, please put emphasis on highly recommended. She's heavy on the slay gang. Heavy. She can and she will customize any unit to your liking, your pleasing. She specializes in all kind of customization of any wig, closures, lace frontals, dyes, coloring, and she's very professional. She will have you in and out. And
she also does mini glams herself and
absolutely.
Mink lash installations. We'll be dropping all of her info in the description box down below.
So please feel free to follow her as well on her socials. She's Essence. I will be leaving her Instagram social, so go right ahead over there to my dolls and my glam gang. Head right over there, follow her, and make sure you book with her and tell her the doll squad sent you, and show love like she's a lace connoisseur. Trust, a lace connoisseur. Many know her as the lace queen of Tallahassee. She slays, baby. Don't play, just slays. And when I tell you all her looks are giving, they are giving. So in conclusion, dolls, the overall experience with Nakia hair, I must say, was very satisfactory. And I want you guys to make sure you subscribe to my channel. That's right, hit that subscribe button right there. And make sure you hit that bell, turn on the notifications, make it ring so you don't miss a thing. Stay sweet, dolls. Happy Easter.